Parade. Let's name and spell our chili friends. Hello, little penguin pals. Welcome back to another chilly episode of Penguin Parade. Today we're going to waddle through the names of some fantastic penguins and learn how to spell them. Are you ready for a frosty journey? Let's dive right into the ice. Our first icy explorer is the penguin. 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 Penguins are fantastic swimmers and love to slide on their bellies. Now, let's meet the emperor penguin. Emperor. Our emperor. These regal penguins are the largest and can withstand the harshest Antarctic winters. Can you march like an emperor penguin? Say hi to the Adelie penguin. Look at this smaller friend, the Adelie penguin. Adelie. Adelie. Adelie penguins are known for their tuxedo-like markings. Chillin' with the chinstrap penguin. It's time to meet the chinstrap penguin. Chinstrap. Chinstrap. These penguins have a cute black line under their chins. Rockhopper penguins, the hoppers of the South. Hop, hop, hooray! Let's not forget our rockhopper friends. Rockopper. Rockhopper. These energetic penguins love to hop from rock to rock. Meet the Gentoo penguin. Sliding into the scene is the Gentoo penguin. Gentoo. Gentoo. These agile swimmers have a distinctive white stripe on their heads. Exploring with the macaroni penguin. Now let's set sail with the macaroni penguin. Macaroni. Known for their striking yellow crests, these penguins are excellent divers. Adorable little blue penguins. Tiny but terrific. It's time to meet the little blue penguins. Little. Little blue. These cuties are the smallest penguin species and are also known as fairy penguins. Dance party with the African penguin. Let's bring some rhythm to our penguin party with the African penguin. African. These penguins are great dancers and they love the warm beaches. Wasn't that a fantastic and frosty penguin party? Penguins are such incredible creatures with unique features and behaviors. I hope you had a blast waddling, marching, and hopping with us today. If you want more Penguin Party, don't forget to subscribe, like our video. Until our next icy escapade, stay cool, little penguin pals.